Hello everyone, how are you all? Mayam nungairibo. So today let's learn about important dates and days of the year. First January. 1st January Global Family Day. 1st January Global Family Day. 4th January Louis Braille Day. 4th January Louis Braille Day. 9th January NRI Day, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. 9th January NRI Day, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. 12th January National Youth Day, Birthday of Swami Vivekanand. 12th January National Youth Day, Birthday of Swami Vivekanand. 15th January Army Day. 15th January Army Day. 25th January National Tourism Day and Voters Day. 25th January National Tourism Day and Voters Day. 26th January Indian Republic Day and International Customs Day. 26th January Indian Republic Day and International Customs Day. 28th January Data Protection Day. 28th January Data Protection Day. 30th January Martyrs Day, Mahatma Gandhi's martyrdom and World Leprosy Eradication Day. 30th January Martyrs Day, Mahatma Gandhi's martyrdom and World Leprosy Eradication Day. Next, February. 4th February World Cancer Day. 4th February World Cancer Day. 20th February World Day of Social Justice. 20th February World Day of Social Justice. 24th February Central Excise Day. 24th February Central Excise Day. 28th February National Science Day. 28th February National Science Day. Next, March. 8th March International Women's Day. 8th March International Women's Day. 15th March World Consumer Rights Day and World Disabled Day. 15th March World Consumer Rights Day and World Disabled Day. 21st March World Forestry Day and International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 21st March World Forestry Day and International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 22nd March World Water Day. 22nd March World Water Day. 23rd March World Meteorological Day. 23rd March World Meteorological Day. 24th March World TB Day. 24th March World TB Day. TB is tuberculosis. World Tuberculosis Day. Next, April. 5th April National Maritime Day and International Day for Mine Awareness. 5th April National Maritime Day and International Day for Mine Awareness. 7th April World Health Day. 7th April World Health Day. 10th April World Homeopathy Day. 10th April World Homeopathy Day. 17th April World Hemophilia Day. 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. 18 April, World Heritage Day. 18 April, World Heritage Day. 21st April, Civil Services Day. 21st April, Civil Services Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day. Next, May. 1st May, International Labor Day. May Day. 1st May, International Labor Day. May Day. 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day. 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day. 8th May, World Red Cross Day. 8th May, World Red Cross Day. 12th May, International Nurses Day. 12th May, International Nurses Day. 17th May, World Telecommunications Day. 17th May, World Telecommunications Day. 21st May, Anti-Terrorism Day. 21st May, Anti-Terrorism Day. Next, June. 5th June, World Environment Day. 5th June, World Environment Day. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. 12th June, World Day Against Labor. 12th June, World Day Against Labor. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st June, International Yoga Day. 21st June, International Yoga Day. 23rd June, International Olympic Day. 23rd June, International Olympic Day. Next, July. 4th July, American Independence Day. 4th July, American Independence Day. 7th July, International Day of Cooperatives. 7th July, International Day of Cooperatives. 11th July, World Population Day. 11th July, World Population Day. Next, August. 6th August, Hiroshima Day. 6th August, Hiroshima Day. 8th August, World Senior Citizens Day. 8th August, World Senior Citizens Day. 9th August, August Kranti Divas and Nagasaki Day. 9th August, August Kranti Divas and Nagasaki Day. 12th August, International Youth Day. 12th August, International Youth Day. 15th August, India's Independence Day. 15th August, India's Independence Day. 18th August, Day of World's Indigenous Persons. 18th August, Day of World's Indigenous Persons. 29th August, National Sports Day or Dhyan Chand's birthday. 29th August, National T is missing, sorry, TNATIONAL, National Sports Day or Dhyan Chand's birthday. Next, September. 5th September, Teachers Day, Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. 5th September, Teachers Day, Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. 8th September, International Literacy Day, UNESCO. 8th September, International Literacy Day, UNESCO Day. 14th September, Hindi Day, World First Aid Day. 14th September, Hindi Day and World First Aid Day. 15 September, Engineers Day, International Day of Democracy. 15 September, Engineers Day and International Day of Democracy. 16 September, World Ozone Day. 16 September, World Ozone Day. 18 September, International Day of Peace. 18 September, International Day of Peace. 21st September, Biosphere Day and World Alzheimer's Day. 21st September, Biosphere Day and World Alzheimer's Day. 27th September, World Tourism Day. 27th September, World Tourism Day. Next, October. 2nd October, International Non-Violence Day, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. 2nd October, International Non-Violence Day and Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. 3rd October, World Habitat Day. 3rd October, World Habitat Day. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. 16th October, World Food Day. 16th October, World Food Day. 24th October, United Nations Day. 24th October, United Nations Day. 31st October, National Integration Day. 31st October, National Integration Day. Next, November. 9th November, Legal Services Day. 9th November, Legal Services Day. 14th November, Children's Day and World Diabetes Day. 14th November, Children's Day and World Diabetes Day. 17th November, National Epilepsy Day. 17th November, National Epilepsy Day. 20th November, Universal Children's Day, UN, and Africa Industrialization Day. 20th November, Universal Children's Day, UN, and Africa Industrialization Day. 26th November, Samvidhan Divas or Constitutional Day and World Environment Protection Day. 26th November, Samvidhan Divas or Constitutional Day and World Environment Protection Day. Next, December. 1st December, World AIDS Day. 1st December, World AIDS Day. 4th December, Navy Day. 4th December, Navy Day. 7th December, Armed Forces Flag Day. 7th December, Armed Forces Flag Day. 10th December, Human Rights Day. 10th December, Human Rights Day. 11th December, UNICEF Day and International Mountain Day. 11th December, UNICEF Day and International Mountain Day. 14th December, National Energy Conservation Day. 14th December, National Energy Conservation Day. 16th December, Vijay Divas. 16th December, Vijay Divas. 23rd December, Kisan Divas or Farmers Day. 23rd December, Kisan Divas or Farmers Day. 25th December, National Good Governance Day. 25th December, National Good Governance Day. Thank you all.